Okay, this lunar module and enclosure that you're looking at is the model that you get off of Thingiverse. I am trying to hinge it all together so that it has some accuracy right now, but it will do for the questions and statements I have to make. Now, this isn't a beat down on the person that built this model, because of if anybody who does 3D, we will tell you this can be really challenging to do, especially this subject matter. I've gone ahead and placed it on top of my model for comparison and scale, just so I could get a handle on how to make the mooring and the all of the mounting for the lunar module. I will not be using any of these parts for a couple of reasons. Number one, there's somebody else's, and I don't have direct permission to do that, and they just aren't correct enough for what I'm looking for. So the question, and I'm not the only one, apparently many of us have been searching for this one for a while, is how, where, and what did they use to mount the lunar module to the adapter. And I'm under the impression that it mounted right there at the outer hinge on the ring that the enclosure mounted to. And I've gotten detailed shots, or I should say one detail image of it, which I'll show in a second. And so now I need, the rest of the information. If anybody can help me with that, I would really be grateful. Again, we're not looking at what I'm going to be building. This is the model off of Thingiverse, and while the person or people who put the model together did one bang up job, because this is a heck of a model to try to build, it's just not going to suit my needs at this time. I'll show you the image of the mount that I got, and then I'll leave it at that. So here's the excellent image of the tie down that Tim Turner sent me, and it's a pretty detailed image, but it's only from one side, and I could really use it to be from the other angles. I have this, but as you can see, it still doesn't give an awful lot of detail as far as how the LEM sets and how the part mounts onto the outer ring of the adapter. I'm imagining this is a part of it, but I still don't know, and that this is the LEM pad would tell me that that's not down. I mean, that's more down inside toward the top of the tank. So trying to deduce this is going to be, yeah, as you can understand. Anyway, guys, you're getting a handle on what it takes to actually work in 3D, and it can be a challenge, trust me. Anyway, any help, thanks.